here at the Fargo Air Museum, and right behind me is an American legend. So this guy right here is the legendary Allison V12 aircraft engine. They started building these in 1930. They had a single overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder, supercharged, requiring 100 to 130 octane fuel, maxed out at about 1,500 horsepower. Not sure what the compression ratio is or how fast you could spin them, but they are really something. They ran these in the North American P-51 Mustangs, I think. I don't know. It's just, if you're an engine guy, man, this is something. Here's all of the numbers on this guy. The Allison is legendary.